Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back with a brand new video, and today I just wanted to talk about why I started my own online business and where I want to take it. So I want to take this business and I just want to scale it so I can quit my 9 to 5 and just be done with that whole lifestyle and just focus on myself, because it's super important to focus on yourself. Focus on things that you love, your family, hobbies, just your health, everything, because when you work a 9 to 5, it can be very, very hard to do all that. It's very hard to balance all that. But I just wanted to talk about the reasons why I want this lifestyle, because it's definitely possible. It really is. If you see results already, you know that feeling. It's only up from here. So I wanted to talk about just what my reasons are, because financial freedom, that's amazing. Regardless of how much you make, if you make enough just to survive every month, just from working on your computer, just that, you're winning. You're winning. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to be like you living in a mansion. You could be comfortable, super comfortable, living in like a 3-bedroom house or apartment, wherever you want. It doesn't even matter. You don't have to have a car. You don't have to, as long as you're happy with what you're doing, that's all that matters. And that's what I want. I'm happy right now. My business is great right now, but I know it can be better. I know it can be better, and that's where I just have to work hard at it, regardless of all my other responsibilities I have. On top of that, I have to keep going, and if I can do it, you can too. And on this journey on my YouTube now, I'm gonna record everything that I just I'm thinking about, because I feel that's super important for you guys to see. Just I'm very genuine of video about just someone trying to get to that place, which I'm trying to do right now, because I'm not rich. I'm still working at my job. I'm a normal person, and I just wanted to let you guys know what my reasons are, because my reasons can be, yours as well. And they don't have to be like, oh, my goal is to get a Lamborghini. My goal is to just get a mansion in 3 months. That's I don't really want that right now. Maybe next year, maybe in 3 years, I could be at that point. But right now, I just want to have that financial freedom. Financial freedom, just to take my daughter to the park whenever I want. Take her to the movies, take my girlfriend to the movies. Go to my mom's house. That's my whole. That's why I started this, why I want to keep pushing, so I can live this lifestyle, maybe go on vacation, nothing fancy, but that's the whole point. That's why I started this. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick video about that, about my opinion, because I love making these videos, because as soon as I'm thinking about it, I want to record it, and I just want to let you guys know. So I hope you guys appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. See you guys later.